Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
No!
Oh my god, guys. What's going on?
We don't know what we're going to do.
What do you mean?
We don't know what we're going to do with the grade 12's leave. What are we going to do?
Oh my god, you're so right. Oh my god, I don't know.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.
Well, where's the clam bake? Where's the clam bake?
Did we miss the clam bake?
We have such big shoes to fill. I think it's time you all heard a story. Come, sit by me. Goodbye, Crofton. In the great big school, there was an ivy leaf and many unfollowed rules. And in an office, typing away was Miss Meadows. And on 2 big staircases, there were many embraces, and 2 girls cramming, and 1 girl jamming, and Friday assemblies, and carol service memories, and the grade 12 staircase, and little girls playing chase, and blazers with shoulder pads, and Knox parking for the grads, and short Gordon tartans, and the calf's juice cartons, and Starbucks runs to Kerrisdale, and staring at passing males, and dressing in crazy spandex, and hiding your phone as you text, and wearing no makeup on Monday, and acting in your house plays, and the teachers who will miss you every day. Goodbye, school. Goodbye, ivy leaf. Goodbye, rules. Goodbye, office. Goodbye, Miss Meadows. Goodbye, staircases, and goodbye, embraces. Goodbye, girls cramming, and goodbye, girls jamming. Goodbye, assemblies, and goodbye, carol service memories. Goodbye, grade 12 staircase, and goodbye, little girls playing chase. Goodbye, blazers with shoulder pads, and goodbye, Knox parking for the grads. Goodbye, Gordon tartans, and goodbye, juice cartons. Goodbye, Starbucks runs to Kerrisdale, and goodbye, staring at passing males. Goodbye, colorful spandex, and goodbye, being stealthy as you text. Goodbye, no makeup Mondays. And goodbye, acting in your house plays. Goodbye, teachers, who you will miss every day. Goodbye, Grad 11. We love you and will miss you every day.